Twitch creators, this is huge. If you're a gamer, a podcaster, an IRL streamer, a music artist, or even an esports pro, your content is way too good to just sit there on Twitch. Twitch is where you create. But if you're not repurposing your clips, highlights, and full streams to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or even backing them up to Google Drive, you're throwing away growth. But that changes right now. With repurpose.io, you can automate everything and get your content everywhere without lifting a finger. And I'm about to show you exactly how easy it is. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, stop losing your content. Twitch doesn't save your videos forever. If you're not backing them up, they're eventually gone. But now you don't have to worry about that. With repurpose.io, you can automatically back up all of your uploads, highlights, and clips to Google Drive or Dropbox, so nothing ever disappears. No more manual downloads, no more lost VODs, no more, oh crap, that stream is gone forever. All you have to do is go to create new workflows on the top right, and you select Twitch on the left side as the source. You select Twitch, and you select your Twitch account, and then you do back up all my content, and then you select Google Drive or Dropbox, and then you choose that one. And you can do highlights, uploads, or clips and back it up and just do create workflow, and you're good to go. You can also automatically schedule all of your old content. If you've got killer clips and you just wanted to repurpose all of those, all you have to do is go to repurpose.io, and in the workflows tab, you just do repurpose existing content. You select Twitch as your source on the left side, and then you can choose the destination to any of the platforms, let's say YouTube Shorts, for example. And then when you do, let's say, highlights, you can do create workflow. And you see now you can select the days and times that you want your old content to go and publish for you on all these other separate platforms. And lastly, you can automate all of your future content, so it's set it and forget it. Every new Twitch stream, highlight, or clip can instantly be repurposed to all platforms without lifting a finger moving forward. Select Twitch as your source, and then select the destination moving forward. Let's say Pinterest, for example. And then when you do create workflow, all content that goes from Twitch uploads or highlights, whatever you choose, or clips, will automatically go to the destination, which in this case is Pinterest. So if you're not using this, you're missing out on free growth. So make sure you connect your Twitch and start repurposing right now. Remember, it's less effort, more content, less burnout, more reach. Repurpose and Twitch. Let's make your content work for you.